Hey Martin, this is Lawrence Kennedy. In this video, I will show you how to log into Globe Afrique, the back end or the dashboard, and then show you how to post your articles onto the website. It's about 4 basic steps. What you need to do is, in a browser, just bring in Globe Afrique. So you type in just Globe Afrique like you have it. Okay, so once you have the website up, depending on what browser you're using, you just need to scroll down to the username and password function right here. The username would be your email address, and the password, I will text you the password. So I'm just going to put in a temporary username and password. Alright, so once you have your username and password, you will click login. And then it'll bring you to this dashboard. There's just one thing you need to do in here. It's not a whole lot you have to do. In here, you see where it has the plus sign. You can either click this plus sign and select post, or you can come down here, put your mouse over a post, just hover your mouse over a post, and then go down here and select add new. So for now, I'm just going to select this, the plus sign, and select post. Now, one of the things you have to do when you start posting, just make sure you have your articles already written. You can write your article in Microsoft Word or in some other desktop publishing software. Then once you've written your articles, you've done the editing and everything looks good, then you just need to copy it. So in this instance, I'm just going to go to Microsoft Word and copy a couple of paragraphs from one of my writings. First thing I'll do, I'll put in a title. So you need to type in your title over here. Okay, and you don't need this. Use the Divi Builder. It's a little bit complicated. You don't need to click on it or do anything to it. In here, it's just like a word processor. It works just like Microsoft Word. If you need more functionalities in terms of to add more stuff over here, you can expand it by clicking this box where it says toggle toolbar. You can expand it. Then in here, you can change text color. You can paste your text. You can clear the formatting on text. You can put a strike through on a text. But for the most part, these are all you need. Bold, italics. This would allow you to link a text and unlink it. So let me show you real quick. So I'm going to just copy and paste my text directly in here. And a spell check is built into this application too. So if you needed to add a link to another website or location, you would select the text like here, and then you would click here, insert link, and then it will ask you, where do you want this to go? What you're doing is you're turning these three words into a link text. So here I can say I can have it set up to go to bbc.com. So I'll apply. So all that means now is if someone were to put their mouse over here in this article, it'll turn to like a hand and they can click on it. It will link them to, it will take them to another location. All right, so I have my text in here. I have my heading, my text in here. On the right-hand side where it says categories, you have to select the category that best describes your article. We have these categories pre-built. So I'll say this article, you can select multiple categories. I'll say this relates to, let's say election, events, governance, international development, human rights, and news. What will happen is on the website itself, this article will post in all of these locations that you just selected, and I'll show you that in a second. So then I'll scroll down here a little bit further, and then you need to add some tags. The tags are like category. You know, if you look in on the back of your shirt in the label, you will have labels or you will have tags. It tells you, you know, this is cotton, or it tells you this is linen. So anything in that category will be grouped together. So here I can put a tag that says Liberia. I can say development, and I can say let's say budget cuts. After entering your tags, you can hit add, and it'll add your tags. So if someone came into the website and it did a search for budget cuts, your article will pop up. That's what the tags does, okay? Then I'll scroll down. You can make this a featured post, which means it'll be on the slider. If it's an important article, you know, go ahead and make it a featured post. Then it'll be on the slider when visitors come to the page. Okay. Since this is just a standard document, you can also add video from YouTube, audio from SoundCloud. You can create a gallery, but those are things that if you're interested in doing, just text me or give me a call, and I will walk you through the process. So the last thing you need to do is to click this set featured image. This will add an image to your article. The first category will show you a list of the images that we have already added to the website. The second set that says stock photos, these are just free images off the internet. It's hard for you to find something in there that relates to what you're writing about. But if you do find something, go ahead and select it. So for example, I'll select this one. Let me just go back a little too blurry. For international development, let's say I'll select this one. Okay, I'll select import. It will bring that photo into my website. There it is. And then on the right hand side where it says title, give a name to that photo. I'll call it international development. Then once you have it in there, you can hit set featured image, and there it is. So all you've done in order to post your articles, you did the plus and you did post. You put in your title, you paste your articles that you've already written in Microsoft Word. You can also type it directly in here. It's just so much easier in Microsoft Word. If you don't have Microsoft Word, you can type your article directly in here. So after you've typed in your article, you select the categories that you want the articles to hit, and then you select the set featured image, and that's all you need to do. So now once you've set it, you can either preview it before you send it to publication. To preview it, you would click this button that says preview. It will open up a brand new window. You don't necessarily need to preview everything you do. So this is what the article will look like. You see it has my name, it has the photos, it has what I've written, and this is just a preview. So if you're happy with it, you can just come in here and say publish. Because you're doing this in real time, when you hit publish, it automatically goes directly to the website. Okay, so now let me open up another browser. Well, let me just open up another tab. So now if I go in here and I say globeafrique.com, you will see your article is right up there. It's right there, top of the line on the slider, and will be under the most recent post. So if you wanted to read it, you can either come here and click this, or you can come here and click this, and there's the article. what this about the order, the author photo, that was the thing that I sent you earlier. I need you to click on that link and then I'll create this for you. Okay? All right, so I hope this video helps. It should get you started. Okay,